Hi, and welcome back to Miss Kate Cuttable's 1 Minute Make. Today we are putting together an ice skating snowman that goes with the Mrs. Claus that's ice skating, the reindeer, Santa, the polar bear, and the penguin. So this is a cute set if you get them all. They've all been freebies, so if you didn't get them as freebies last week, then you can get them in the 50-cent shop. So they all kind of go together. They have kind of like the same scarf, and you need to pick those up if you do not have them already. So on the one that I did, if you can see in the upper right hand corner, the SVG up there has 3 buttons down the tummy. Now I changed that after I put this one together because I realized that it was bugging me that he didn't have anything there, so I added those in after the fact. So if you don't want those, of course you can take them out, but the one that you receive will have the buttons down the stomach. So let me know what you guys think about these layered SVGs. If you guys like the ice skating ones, I think I'm going to move on and do something different. So if there's anything that you wanted with these and that I didn't do, then maybe let me know and I'll see if I can put some up in the 50-cent shop. Anyway, so let me know what you guys think. Comment down below and I will see you on the next 1 Minute Make. Thanks for watching.